Fully.
So that's why I said there is like ways in America format is like we call him album artist. Rod Wave just come. Somebody always is that somebody dead. Is sadness that a theme thing. Him just give 12 sadness song this year, and him just go tour with the 12 one them what him do. I think there is more structure to it. Where as an artist in Jamaica is more single until
something bust.
Yeah, but guess what? If you have the 10 single where I work and then 5 no work, you know what me I gonna say? You're unboss.
No, you can't say him unboss. You can't say him unboss. That's what unfair for say.
I think it depends on the amount of consistency in the failure. Fair and bus. I think if you like,
if you find 1 and 2 no work, but you find 1 and if
Yeah.
1 keep on a work.
yeah, then then you're still a deity.
Bro,
If you drop like 10 terrible songs,
Where's that?
Can't judge the artist them so hard, bro.
I feel judge the artist them,
you
bro.
know,